Alright, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt frustrated paying hundreds or even thousands of dollars just to get a sales funnel live? Maybe you've tried ClickFunnels at $97 to $297 a month, or hired freelancers charging $500 to $2,000 per funnel, only to wait weeks for revisions. Or worse, you've wrestled with clunky page builders that break on mobile every other update. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And today, I'm going to show you how FunnelHero AI is changing the game in 2026, letting you build complete, high-converting funnels in minutes while saving thousands of dollars on funnel designers. Here's the brutal truth. Your offer isn't the problem. Your traffic isn't the problem. The funnel is the problem. And the time, money, and headaches it takes to build one are killing your launches before they even go live. Think about it. $97 to $297 every month for bloated funnel builders. $500 to $2,000 per funnel for freelancers. Weeks of waiting for revisions. Hours of tutorials just to find the save button. That's not just expensive, it's painfully slow, and in 2026, speed is everything. So how do you finally get a funnel live without burning through your budget? The answer is FunnelHero AI. Here's how it works. Pick the AI brain you trust most: Claude Opus for premium copy, Claude Sonnet for speed and quality, GPT if that's your go-to, or even Grok, Deepseek, Gemini. Type in your offer. Watch FunnelHero AI build a complete multi-page funnel, squeeze page, sales page, OTO page, thank you page, all connected, all ready for traffic, in minutes. No coding, no design headaches, no invoices, just results. And here's what makes FunnelHero AI different. Every other funnel builder out there picks the AI for you, usually the cheapest one they can find to protect their margins. You're stuck with whatever copy it spits out. FunnelHero AI flips the script. You choose the AI brain before a single word gets written. That means your funnel is built around your decision, not theirs. It's like hiring a $5,000 funnel designer who works at the speed of light, but without the $5,000 invoice. Want to tweak something? Just chat with it. Make the headline punchier. Done. Swap the hero image. Done. Turn the CTA red. Done. Prefer drag and drop? It's right there too. And visual edits cost 0 credits. Plus, you get 20 plus templates across every niche. Built-in image generation with GPT Image 2, Flux, Luma, Grok, and more. Real-time analytics with 0 setup. Publish instantly to your domain or export clean HTML. Free commercial license, so you can charge clients $500 to $2,000 per funnel and deliver in an afternoon. One client funnel pays this tool back 15 times over. That's how you save thousands. And it's not just theory. Look at what regular people are already doing. Maria boosted opt-ins by 38%. Devin earned $6,000 plus in his first month. Jennifer doubled her opt-in rate from 11% to 24%. Marcus charges $800 per funnel and is fully booked out. Same tool, same 15 minutes, different results. That's FunnelHero AI. Here's the best part. You can try FunnelHero AI risk-free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Don't love it? Get every penny refunded, no questions asked. Keep every funnel you've built. But there's a catch. This is a launch-only price. The cost goes up with every sale. After launch, it moves to a recurring monthly model. Whoever shows up tomorrow pays more for the exact same thing you're being offered right now. So if you're tired of wasting thousands on funnel designers, waiting weeks for revisions, or settling for generic AI pages that scream robot wrote this, FunnelHero AI is your shortcut. Pick the AI brain you trust. Type your offer. Get a complete funnel, page by connected page, in minutes. Click the link below. Grab FunnelHero AI today and start launching funnels that convert without burning through your budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside FunnelHero AI.